Hello, dear listener. Welcome. This is Rony, your guide and companion on this journey. Welcome to Learning with Rony. This is more than a channel. This is your personal sanctuary for building English confidence, one calm, clear step at a time. Here, we move slowly. We celebrate every sound. We find the joy in simply getting better together. So wherever you are, whatever you're doing, take a deep breath. Let go of any pressure. Just be here with me, and let's begin. Today, we are going to master a single powerful tool. This tool can open doors, build friendships, and make your daily life smoother. It is the cornerstone of polite and effective communication. That tool is the phrase, "Could you please?" Think about that for a moment. Could you please? It is a question wrapped in kindness. It is a request softened by respect. It transforms a demand into a collaborative conversation. This phrase is not just grammar, it is social magic, and today you will make it your own. Our process is simple, and we'll follow it together. First, we listen. We absorb the music of the phrase. Then we understand its heart and its structure. And finally, we give it voice. We speak. There is no rush. Every step is important. Let's start with pure listening. Close your eyes if you wish. Just hear the shape of these words, spoken slowly and with care. Could. You. Please. Hear the gentle rise in could, the connection in you please. Let's hear it as one flowing unit now. Could you please? Beautiful. That is the foundation, the core sound we will build upon. Now let's give this phrase a purpose. Let's use it to ask for the most beautiful thing one person can offer another: help. The full request is, "Could you please help me?" Listen to it in its full form, broken down into its components. Could you please help me? And now, as it is meant to be spoken, naturally and warmly. Could you please help me? Let that hang in the air. Could you please help me? It is vulnerable. It is strong. It is polite. It is a perfect sentence. Now, let's practice another essential request, especially for us language learners. We often need to hear things again. So we ask, politely, "Could you please repeat that?" Again, listen to the slow breakdown. Could you please repeat that? And now the natural flow. Could you please repeat that? Excellent. You are not just hearing, you are understanding. You are seeing the pattern, the beautiful, simple pattern. Could you please, followed by an action. Could you please open the door? Could you please explain this? Could you please wait a moment? The structure is your friend. It is a template for kindness. Now I will give you 3 more examples of this powerful template in action. I will say each one twice, first slowly and clearly, then at a natural conversational pace. Your only job is to listen, immerse yourself in the rhythm. First, could you please open the window? Could you please open the window? Second, could you please speak slowly? Could you please speak slowly? And third, could you please call later? Could you please call later? You heard the consistent, polite beginning and the changing action. This is how your vocabulary will grow, by slotting new actions into this trusted, polite frame. Now comes the most important part. Your turn. This is where you move from listener to speaker. Do not strive for perfection. Strive for courage. Strive for the act of trying. I will say each of our 3 practice sentences one more time, and after I say each one, I will leave a space, a generous, quiet space just for you. In that space, I invite you to repeat the sentence out loud. Let your voice fill the room. Let your confidence grow. Here we go. Could you please open the window? Could you please speak slowly? Could you please call later? I am so proud of you. In this quiet space, you just spoke English. You used a sophisticated, polite structure. You took action. That is everything. So, what now? How do you make this stick? Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is tiny but profound. Today, before the day ends, I want you to find one single small opportunity. It can be in your mind. It can be whispered to yourself. It can be said to a family member, a friend, or even a colleague. Find one moment to use your new phrase, could you please? Maybe it's, could you please pass the salt? Or, could you please send me that email? Or simply, could you please listen for a moment? Find your moment. Claim it. You have the tool. You have practiced. Now experience its gentle power. Remember, my friend, fluency is not a distant mountain to be conquered in one leap. It is a path built brick by brick. And today you laid a beautiful, solid, polite brick. Could you please? This phrase is now a part of your English voice. Carry it with confidence. This was a session of mindful practice. This was Learning with Rony. Thank you for your time, for your effort, for your brave voice. Until we meet again for our next step, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in your progress. Goodbye for now.